I wanted to say that, but I
no, it's on my GoPro.
For you, but you just went, wow! Take pictures of those.
It's there. Guys,
He says her boot hurts.
so does mine. Let's go. Dead.
It's really snowing, by the way.
Yep. Is this on?
Yep. This is really snowing. Didn't it snow on us here before?
Yeah.
I don't think when we were skiing.
With Deegan. This is snowing pretty good though. Okay, meet you at the bottom where we normally stop.
I'm probably gonna fall.
You're probably gonna fall?
Yeah.
Why? Why are you gonna fall?
I don't know. No. No, stop it. Stop it. It's too fluffy. Now who caused who to fall? That is the question. Thea, why are you going?
That's not my fault.
Why are you going?
Right into me.
Why are you going uphill?
I wasn't. I was turning.
Uphill?
I was not going uphill.
Yes, you were. You literally went. She literally went uphill into me and was like, Aiden.
Aiden.
I'll
Aiden,
show you.
Shut up. Dad, no. I was turning sideways, and he rammed right into me. Those are so fogged up. Hey, he just hit me in the head with his pole.
Hey.
Don't stab me. That's totally different. Stabbing and friendly hitting helmet is different.
But she gave him chunky peanut butter. He didn't like it.
Via, you missed it. Dad, okay, what I was telling you earlier, what Owen and I were trying to do is we were just gonna get like, we were gonna get on like eBay and get like a lot of airsoft guns, like cheapo ones, for like 60 bucks. We're gonna get like 10 like bad ones, and then do like a battle royale or something.
Well, the bad ones are like $15, $20.
Yeah, but we were gonna go on eBay and get like 10 of them for like 60 bucks or something, like used or something. Yeah.
I think it's leaking. Yeah, I don't know what, I don't.
Let's go back and get another one.
Whoa. Oh my gosh, those things, those are the things that they say.
Oh, you took the big one off?
Yep.
Take a picture of that thing. I wanted to save that, but I
No,
was
it's on my
saving it for
GoPro.
You, but you just went and got. Wow! Take pictures of those.
It's there. What'd you do?
No, I didn't do anything. It just blew up on its own. I blew it up a couple minutes ago, and I heard it go tick, tick, tick.
You
tick,
blew it up too
tick.
much.
I didn't blow it up too much.
You had to. How else would it pop?
It's old.
By
Wow.
the way, be incredibly careful. I almost just fell on my butt on the ice.
Do you want to take a
So,
picture of this?
that's
It's, my
what it is.
GoPro's on, so it's fine.
That rear tire just blew up. It literally
Hold him up.
exploded.
So you, oh, bummer, Aiden.
It's fine.
Mom, because what I said was, I'm surprised it's holding air. I'm like, huh. And then I heard it go tick, 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 and I'm like,
Hold
oh,
him
it's
straight
leaking.
down, Aiden.
Wow. That's interesting.
Yeah.
Be careful about that stuff, you guys.
Don't.
I don't want to break them. Where should I put these so they don't break?
Kill me.
No. You broke it.
You broke it?
No, you broke the tip.
I did?
Yeah, but there's other big ones. Ooh. I just broke the shovel. Oh, sucked.
You can block them with your hand.
No, you can't.
Okay, fine.
Unless you catch it, maybe. One. Oh, it's so hard to throw with mittens. Got you.
Headshot.
No, there are headshots.
Sorry.
I can't aim very well with mittens.
I can't even reach you. This is so not fair.
Come at me. Shoot. Out. You're out.
You can throw
You take
me.
the snow castle then.
Zero.
Ah! I'm sinking. You can leave the castle if you.
We're allowed to go that close. We already decided.
No, I'm allowed to go that close if you can leave.
No, we didn't decide that. We said you can't go that close.
Yeah, we did. No?
We said I'm gonna go closer. What does that count?
Fine. I want to catch one of yours. Oh my gosh, the mittens are so inaccurate. Oh, you dropped it. Fine. No catching it then if they're just gonna break.
Okay. Dog! Hey, dog! Raleigh!
No, I hit it with the ball.
No, I got you.
No, you didn't.
You have you have one, I have one.
Fine.
Just bats it away.
So you're not-
Hit it right in the head.
You're not allowed to bat it away, Fia.
No, she is. Just can't rush the fort, man.
Whoa!
Look at this guy. He's got a giant vine. Look at this, bro. He's got a vine.
Yes!
He's got a giant.
That's a hit. That's a hit, right?
Yeah. Hit?
Yes, I have to lob it over the top in like an arc. Okay, you have to like.
Do this. Swatch it. Then that one. He swats him.
Got her, yes! 2 lives down.
Raleigh,
Ready?
Here we go. Raleigh. Go.
You're done. You're done, kid. The mittens are off.
It broke in half.
Look, dog. Here we go, dog. Look at dog. Dog, dog. Ah! He's funny. He's funny, right? Oh!
I can't even get there.
You suck. That was a shotgun. That's not fair.
Thea, you're not getting away with this. Like, what the heck is that?
Aiden, Sophia, double team. Ready? Double team. Double team. He's got a dog. He's got a dog too. So.
Go.
Raleigh, you suck, Raleigh. You're supposed to catch that.
Raleigh, get that.
Raleigh, you're supposed to be my little guard. You're my little shield.
He didn't really do that good job. Ready?
We both could have hit you if you didn't.
Raleigh, turn around. Look that way.
No shield, Aiden.
There, Raleigh, get it.
Ah.
Raleigh. I touch you.
No hitting my legs. My legs don't count because they're not moving.
Those aren't really hits. Those are like.
You have to hit my body for it to count because I'm not moving.
He catches it. See, if you catch the ones I throw at you, that's not good.
sometimes they break when you touch them.
Well, if they break, then you're out.
Oh, look at that.
Hi, Raleigh.
That's pretty much it.
Dad, come here.
Ooh.
I will go on a bike ride with you if you do one quick tackle.
There you go, dog.
Oh, he broke off all the big ones.
I did. It was very fun.
Did you take pictures of them?
I recorded it.